Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Phoebe and today I'm going to be showing you how I made a two-part silicone mould with a fibreglass jacket. These are the materials I have used. Pause to read. I began by drawing an outline on a large board so I could start building the clay up. I used wet clay to sit the sculpture without ruining it. The wet clay also allowed me to build up to the highest points of the sculpt, adding keys with a large circular tool. I could have added a thicker width of clay on the edges to control silicone wastage. This is something I would advise you do as silicone is an expensive material. Here I began the silicone mould with equal parts of A, B, hardener and a pigment. Layering 2 beauty coat layers of silicone helps to ensure minimal air bubbles on the surface of the mould, also helping capture all detail. With the same mix of equal parts A, B, hardener and a pigment, I also added a fixotropic agent. This allows for a thickened silicone solution, ensuring you can smother the silicone when needed. I did this in 3 layers, adding the most silicone to the centre, ensuring I could not see any of the sculpt. Here I'm adding in keys to ensure the silicone jacket locks into the fibreglass mould. Using the same mix as before, adding on one final beauty coat layer helps create a smooth surface. Once this side has cured, remove all the clay, release the silicone with Vaseline and repeat the exact same steps to create the other half of the silicone mould. After allowing both sides to cure, I created a new wall with red clay, adding keys to ensure both sides of the fibreglass look together. Mixing gel coat resin and up to 2% catalyst, I began to brush on the first layer of resin. With any leftover resin, I mixed in choppies and filled any large curves. This helped with the laminating process. Then mix in general purpose resin and up to 2% catalyst. I laminated 2 to 3 full layers of fibreglass matting. I printed a logo and a label to engrave into the fibreglass. Soaking with resin helped the paper become see-through. With the same mix of general purpose resin and catalyst, I finished by laminating with fibreglass tissue. This creates a smooth surface. After allowing the resin to cure overnight, I marked out holes to drill for nuts and bolts. I also marked around the edges where I could use a rotatory tool to clean the edges of the fibreglass. I finished the mould by sanding any small fibreglass shards. After demoulding and cleaning, this is the final mould. For more, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.